Everyone, this is Umesh Azad from the Big Bash, and at the Big Bash we have been working on the automation and the SaaS projects. And currently on the automation side, we have worked on the YouTube automation and Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn as well. So considering the problem of the many businesses like on the Facebook groups to find the new leads, but also managing them manually takes hours every day. So in these days, our client also face the same problem. So we build a system and solution that does it all automatically. It joins the groups, monitor the post, and also comment on the post. And on the real time, it also sends the notification to the Telegram like we have found the post. So looking into the systems, here is the dashboard of our system. So on the dashboard we have the home page, and it contains the 4 sections like total groups, joint groups, and the pending groups, and the last activity. As we can see that in total groups, these are the groups like we found by searching the keyword on the Facebook. And when we search for the keyword like recommendation businesses for the broker, so we found all the groups matching with the title, and it's grabbed into our DB, and we store them for the future use, like we will be saving their links and status like we have joined or not. And on the other hand, we have the their status in the front end as well, like which is joined or pending. And when we click on the join button, and if we are successfully able to join that group, our status updated in the DB as joined or already member. And on the other hand, when we see the pending session, and it is the section where we see the pending request, like on the groups, when we click on the join button of the private, and private group has the different configurations. On the other hand of the public groups, public group allow us to automatically join the groups by just clicking on the join button. But on the other hand, if we click on the join button of the private group, it asks us few questions related to the group joining, and we need to wait for the admin to allow us to join the group. And on the other hand, when we see the last activity, it is the basically main section which just tell us about the action we performed recently in our automation, like we have posted the comment and scrapped the groups as well, like recently we have performed no activity, so we are seeing none. So on the other sections, and in the sidebar we have the managing account. In the account we can see the total accounts, active profiles, and the last imported. So last imported is never like we have not imported any accounts recently, and these were the accounts we are showing on the front end was imported like 3 days ago. So we have a section of importing the accounts into our DB and show on our front end. So when we see in the import accounts, we have the option to import a CSV file. We will click on the choose a file. It will choose a CSV file, and the CSV file includes the account name, account Gmail ID, and the password, and its profile ID as well. Like the profile ID, when we will be opening the multiple profile, the first profile will open with its relevant account we have mapped to the front end as well. So we will click on the import accounts, and it will be imported into our DB and will display on the front end as well. So looking into the task manager, it is a basically main section of our all the automation process of the dashboard. Like we have the total task, running task, completed task, and the failed task as well. So here is an option of creating the task which have the configurations like we already have imported the accounts. All the accounts imported by us are appended into the account sections. We will select the accounts by marking the checkbox, like we can select one by one, or we can select all the accounts at the same time. So our basically main purpose is to scrap the groups and join them with matching titles, and also we want to comment on the post which are matching with our title. So we will add the configuration into our configuration form, and basically all the process will be location based. Like we will find the location of, so we will find the groups in Australia, in Pakistan, in Lahore, or in other country, anywhere we want. So we will create a task, and it will start automatically. So that's all from the YouTube automation. So in the Facebook group posting monitoring and the automating bot built by the BitBash to make the Facebook lead generation fast, easy, and the automated. If you are ready to automate your process and scale your outreach, get in touch with us. At the BitBash, we build smart system and save time, increase the sale, and lets your business grow faster and focus on the matter the most. So that's all from my side. Thanks for watching the video.